Whoa, whoa, whoa. What are you doing? Hey, get me out of here. No. Stop tying me down. It's weird. You're gonna die. So, that's just so you know. Whoa, wait. No, I'm still in here. I'm still in here. Oh no. I think the test is going well. Oh, okay. Oh! Jerry! One of the bottles escaped from the thing. What do we do? That's not my problem. I don't... Wait. Really? A bottle did escape? Yes, alcohol. My favorite. Yes, toasted. You can't be doing that. That's weird. Come on. We still have somebody dying back there. Hey, when is this thing gonna turn off? You know what? I don't like this place. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Oh, no. Closing the door. That's probably not good. Wait. A ball crushed all my stuff. All of my beautiful bottles. Whatever would I do? Uh-oh. That's probably not good. Wait. This is a terrorist. Ah! 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 I just got off the elevator and... What in the world is happening? Oh my gosh, what have you guys done? Gosh. Surprised the thing isn't broken, its barrel is overheated. Now let me get this out of here. I had to switch out of clothes because it got messy back there, but... Oh no. Oh, boss! 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 Oh! Ow! My bag! My bag! Ow! Ah! No, my everything! It's on fire! Ah! 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 And then after that, everything exploded spontaneously. Don't ask how this happened. I don't know. It just did. Maybe to cover up evidence or something. I don't know. Stuff is still here. Also, where's the cart? Oh my gosh, who did this? Oh, I found him. Okay, that's it. It's the end. Shut up. I'm launching a thermonuclear bomb.